Sparks flew and tempers flared at the Westmoreland Municipal Corporation meeting today as 6 councillors tried to pass a resolution to remove the Mayor Bertel Moore. In the midst of the exchange, former PNP councillors Ian Miles and Garfield James crossed the floor to join the JLP. But as Kalisha Williams reports, the meeting came to a crashing end as the Mayor stormed out of the chambers.
First, former PNP councillors Garfield James and Ian Miles crossed the floor to join the JLP at Thursday's meeting of the Westmoreland Municipal Corporation. This after resigning from the PNP in July and announcing that they were independent candidates. The announcement added to an already tense municipal corporation meeting. Councillors and the Mayor Bertel Moore were irate that some councillors, including Mr. James and Mr. Miles, went behind their backs and called a meeting in August.
But you are not supposed to come to me and ask me for a meeting.
And I'm asking them, at no point in time that discussion would have been had with you.
I refuse. Then you write to the CEO.
When we left in July, we left with the understanding that we would not have another meeting until September. When I learned that there was a meeting is when I saw it on television.
And the day before the proposed meeting, I received another email from the same source informing me that the meeting has been cancelled.
The cancellation notice came on the request of His Worship the Mayor.
Then attempts by 6 out of the 12 councillors to pass a resolution to remove Bertel Moore as mayor. It followed an August 31, 2023 letter signed by the 6 councillors expressing no confidence in his leadership.
Majority of 12 and not 6.
The 12 councillors also include the mayor, whom the resolution is being brought against, which caused councillor for the Sheffield Division, Garfield James, to say this.
Chairman, you cannot be included in the count.
In what?
You cannot.
Where you get that from?
It is you who the resolution is brought against.
Crazy.
So you cannot sign or object to sign against the resolution. Chairman, you cannot.
You are crazy.
Chairman, I've never referred to you in that way.
Listen to me.
No, Chairman, you need to apologize.
I am speaking.
No, Chairman, you need to
Sit down.
Then things took another twist.
I'm not going to sit until you apologize.
Well, if you're not going to sit down, I'm going to call.
So I'm supposed to resort to calling your name.
Adjourned.
I'm supposed to resort to calling your name.
The meeting will
Well, adjourn the meeting, but it's not sit.
meeting adjourned.
How dare you call me crazy?
We met the mayor moments later in his office, where he defended his leadership and condemned what he described as dirty politics at play.
None of them will be able to step in my shoes. I'm a justice of the peace for 40 odd years. So when they are going to tell me they don't have confidence in me, they are totally wrong.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.